Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my version of simple print and cut and decorate my Cricut. But first I'm going to show you how to do it in Design Space. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to upload the image. Let's go to upload, choose the image, insert. I'm going to resize the image. So I'm going to add a text so you can see how I will change the text from cut to print. And then I want to change the font to Watermelon Script. Then I'm going to move the letters closer to each other. Move the text up. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see the text has a scissor next to it and a black circle. And then once you click that, it will show the printer feature which you're going to choose, and then you select both of the image, attach, and then you're going to flatten. Click Make It. This will take you to the preview screen. Click Continue, Send to Printer. And then you will see right here that the text is in bold because the bleed button is on. So go ahead and turn that off. Whenever you have a text, make sure that you turn that off. And then click Print. So I just click Continue, and then my project is going to be sent to my printer. I'm going to insert the printable vinyl. Mine is facing down. I don't know about yours. You probably can do a test on your own printer and see how it's printing. And here it is. And I canceled my cut feature. As you can see, I'm just going to cut it myself. So I'm just going to fast forward the video so you don't have to watch me cut this piece. I'm just going to clean my machine with alcohol pads, get rid of oil or dust that's sitting on top of the machine. Now I'm going to peel the backing of the printable vinyl. And now I'm just gonna place it in the middle. Alright you guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you want to see more, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.